Okay, so what we're doing from a network operations center standpoint today is you have one of the digital signs set up there in the office, correct?
Yeah.
And you're going through putting up new layouts into the system, right? You're going to be testing each one of the layouts, and you're going to go from very basic layouts to very, very advanced very quickly. What we're going to do is we're going to document this, okay? We're going to basically be building out the knowledge base of the expertise of the system right from the very beginning. We've got a new template system. Can you please go through some of those pictures there? Please, Paul? Just so we don't have a picture there, just the screen. Let's take a look through here. So that's the first boot up. So you see the manufacturer Azul. Okay. Keep going. Okay. Keep going. Now, because that's our own device there, we're not too worried about showing off the mobile hotspot password, okay? Because it's our own test equipment here in the office. So what you're looking at there is RV setting it up with being able to now remote control the content from anywhere, right, RV?
Yep.
Okay, so that's pretty much it. Today is going to be focused on you watching along from a client experience standpoint as if you were the client. Understood, Paul and Rolly?
Yep. Yep.
Okay, that's part of your training because, of course, to be able to provide support of digital sign networks, you have to know what it feels like to be a client and know all the little quirks, all the things you need to know.